Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In 1 minute, one question. Our today's question is: a welder deposited 10 thick weld during the performance qualification test. Up to what maximum thickness of weld metal is the welder qualified to weld as per ASME Section 9? So the welder has done welding of 10 thick. The weld metal which he has deposited is 10 thick. Now the question is asking his qualification range, means how much weld metal he can deposit during job. If he has deposited 10 thick weld during welder performance qualification or performance qualification test, it is also known as welder qualification test. So this is a very straightforward question, and the answer is 2 into T. T is the weld metal thickness deposited during test. So 2 multiplied by 10 will be 20 So the welder will be able to weld 20 or welder will be able to deposit 20 thick weld at job. Where it is given in table QW 452.1b in ASME Section 9. If you will refer ASME Section 9, table QW 452.1b, it is given there. Now there is one exception. Suppose if the welder has deposited weld metal thickness 13 or more, if the welder has deposited 13 or more with minimum 3 layers, and with minimum 3 layers, then the welder will be able to deposit unlimited thickness. But there is a limit of unlimited thickness also, and that limit is the WPS range, means the welder can deposit the maximum thickness which the WPS has given. If the welder has done 13 or more thick weld during qualification test with 3 layers. So friends, hopefully you would have understood this concept. I would request you to please join my channel. Joining is very easy, and if you will join my channel, you will be able to support me financially. We have come to an end of our today's video, friends. Please give your feedback and suggestions. Thank you very much.